How y'all doing? Hope everybody had an awesome Christmas. Looking forward to New Year's here. Just out here letting the dogs play. Trying to get a shot here if they quit moving for a second, but Ivy's coming in heat. So she will be getting bred real soon. We'll be taking her to Two Fat from Carolina Bully Farms. If I'm sure a lot of y'all's familiar with CBF and Two Fat. I think it's gonna be a pretty awesome little combination. Two Fat's a ghost try. Divy's mama's a ghost try, and they got other tried dogs in the pedigree, so I'm sure we got a pretty good chance of popping out some tries or ghost tries, blues. But as little in pocket as Divvy is, and then with Two Fat being a, like an extreme pocket, then it should be a really, really good, consistent litter. Given that it takes. Y'all get over here. Crazy dogs. There goes Goon in the mix. He just likes to play with his stick and then every once in a while run off and bother everybody. Lily, what you doing? What you doing, baby girl? Just walking around. Lee, what you smell? Divy's really starting to fill out a little bit, tone up. She's just over, she's about a year and a month right now. And Goon just turned 8 months old on yesterday, Christmas Day. Goon, what you doing? You holding on to your stick? Hey. Hey. He gets so like in a trance whenever he's sitting there with his sticks. He don't even know anything else is going on. Or he likes to pretend he don't anyway. I'm sure he does. Lily's just being odd. She's just walking around. Usually she's in the mix. Lily, what you doing? Grazing? Just a grazing, huh? That's a big old girl. Lee. Hey, Lee. Lee. Divvy. Hey, baby. Hey. There you go, you can see how swole up she is. Well, nice, I just stepped in somebody's little pile they left for me. Not really a lot going on. Divvy! Divvy! Get him, Div. Get that stick from him. Oh, ain't no stick left, is there? It's just a little chunk of wood. Find you a stick. Where's a stick at? There's got to be sticks out here somewhere. Leela, you gonna help me find a stick? Help me find a stick. Here's one. Here, that's a big one. Come on, Goon. Go get it.